Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where and when you are watching this video. And in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. This is Female Skills Empowerment TV. On this channel, we share valuable tips and videos on how to make household cleaning products and sanitary products at home, be it for commercial purpose and for personal use. All right. I also want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Please keep watching my videos. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can show it to other people. Alright, so stay tuned for today's training on transparent liquid soap. Hello, you're welcome to class. In today's image empowerment tutorials, I'll be making transparent liquid soap using 3 major ingredients. Okay, like you all know, transparent liquid soap is quite different from multi-purpose liquid soap. Transparent liquid soap could be used for, washing of dishes and other light clothes. It is very, very transparent in nature. So today I'll be making 10 liters of transparent liquid soap. With me here are my equipment. I have my turning stick. I have my mixing bowl with water. Here is my Texapon. I'll be using half kilo of Texapon, quarter kilo of SLS, and 350 grams of industrial salt or the regular cooking salt. So first of all, I'm going to take some water from the mixing bowl and dissolve my SLS. I'll leave it to dissolve gradually for about 3 minutes. I'll set it aside to dissolve gradually. Now, while waiting for the SLS to dissolve, I'll go ahead and add the Texapon into the water. Texapon takes a little bit longer to dissolve in water, so you really have to be patient. I had to use my manual whisk to hasten the melting or dissolving process. As you can see, the Texapon is completely melted and the SLS is also completely melted. Now I'm going to add the two liquid together. It's now liquid to liquid. Texapon solution into SLS solution. After the two solutions are fully mixed together, the next ingredient here is the salt. In the production of transparent liquid soap, salt serves as a thickener and it also serves as antiseptic agent. So watch out after adding the salt. you will see how thick the liquid soap or the transparent liquid soap will become. Wow, now can you see how thick it becomes? At this point, I'll go ahead and add the color. I'll be using lemon color, but at the moment lemon color is not in stock, so I'm going to mix a little bit of yellow color with green to get color lemon. I've added my yellow color. And a little bit of green color. This is my lemon green color. So I'll go ahead and add it into the mixture. Now at this stage, I'll go ahead and leave it to sit for about 24 hours for the foam to clear. So I'll see you in the next 24 hours. Now here is my transparent liquid soap after a few hours. The foam has cleared completely. Look at how transparent the soap is. Let me bring the camera a little bit closer for a better view. Wow. And for the fragrance, I choose not to add it immediately after production. So I just added 5 ml of fragrance, because I know, I made it for washing of dishes. So when making yours, be careful not to add too much of fragrance. All right. I have already packaged some in a bottle. Let's see how it looks in a bottle. Let's see how transparent it is. This is lovely. Trust me, you too can do this. You can do it either for personal use or for commercial purpose as a side business. And even if you choose to do it for personal use only, you will surely thank me, because by the time you start doing it, you will start saving all the money you are to spend on this item on a daily basis, buying it from the shop, because it is more economical doing it at home. This is so economical, so economical. So try as much as possible to put it to practice, and you'll be glad you did so. Try it out and do let me know the outcome in the comment section. All right, so with this, we have come to the end of today's training. This is all I have for you for today's video. I will see you again with my other videos, but until then, remember to try this out at home. Stay blessed and bye for now.